Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Pinterest tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your recent searches on Pinterest. So first I'll show you how to clear your recent searches on Pinterest in the browser on a desktop computer. Then I will show you how to clear your recent Pinterest searches on a mobile phone in the app. So to clear your recent searches on Pinterest in the desktop, all we need to do is click the little search button right here in the top right, and then you'll see your recent searches. To clear these, what we need to do is just right next to recent searches, there's an X. If you select that, it will delete all your recent searches from Pinterest. Now in the Pinterest app on your phone, to clear your search history, all we need to do is open the app on your phone, then select search in the bottom. And if we select the search bar at the top, you can see your recent search history. Now, unfortunately, in the app, you are unable to delete all of them at the same time, but you can delete them individually by selecting the X to the right. And as you can see, that will delete them. If you want to clear your entire search history at the same time, we need to open Pinterest.com in the browser on our phone. Once you've done that, make sure you log into your account and then select search at the top. And then in here, you'll see recent searches, and to the right of that, you'll see an X. If you select the X, that'll clear all your search history from Pinterest on your account. If you go back to the app on your phone, you will see the search history still there. All you need to do is close it by swiping it away. Then when you open the app again and go to search, you'll see that your search history has been cleared. All right, so that's how you delete your search history on Pinterest. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Pinterest tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.